Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about oxidation, and in this video we are going to learn about what is oxidation, some reactions of oxidation and some examples of oxidation in everyday life. So first of all, what is meant by oxidation? Oxidation is the loss of electrons, and it happens when an atom or compound loses one or more electrons. There are some elements those who lose electrons more easily, and these elements are generally said to be easily oxidized. Now, metals like sodium, magnesium, iron are easily oxidized, and non-metals like nitrogen, oxygen are not easily oxidized. Oxidation is caused when an atom or a molecule or even an ion comes in contact with oxygen. When this happens, it transfers electrons and changes to get a more stable structure in its electron shells. The main cause of this oxidation reaction is atoms trying to get valence shells with a full set of electrons. And this ideal arrangement increases the stability of the species, and that's why oxidation takes place. The stable electron number in atoms can be achieved through a reaction with oxygen, as oxygen is a reactive element. When elements or compounds comes in contact with oxygen and they react, oxidation takes place. So this is about oxidation. Now let's see. These are the three definitions through which we can describe oxidation. First one is loss of electron, second one is addition of oxygen, and third one is removal of hydrogen. Now let's see some examples. I have taken 4 examples over here. See first example, this is aldehyde. When aldehyde comes in contact with KMnO4, oxidation takes place and KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent and convert aldehyde molecule into carboxylic acid. Now what happened here? See here only one oxygen is present, but in product number of oxygen increases, like 2 oxygens are present here. Means we can call this that we add oxygen to this compound. So addition of oxygen is nothing but the oxidation. Hence, it is an example of oxidation reaction. See a second example, when carbon reacts with oxygen, oxidation takes place and it gives carbon dioxide, right? This is also an example of oxidation. See third example, this is ethane molecule. When ethane molecule undergoes oxidation, it gives ethene. What happened here? Removal of hydrogen happens, right? See, 6 numbers of hydrogens are present in reactant, and in product only 4 hydrogens are present. Means removal of hydrogen happens here, and removal of hydrogen is nothing but an oxidation. Now see fourth example. This is toluene, right? This is toluene. When toluene reacts with KMnO4, oxidation takes place and it gives benzoic acid. This is the structure of benzoic acid. What happened here? Here also addition of oxygen takes place. See, no oxygen is here, but here 2 oxygens are present. So addition of oxygen takes place, and addition of oxygen is nothing but the oxidation. Now, we are going to see some examples of oxidation. First one is corrosion of metals, and second one is change of color of fruits like apples, bananas when they are cut. Now these are the examples that we see in everyday life. Now what is the cause of this corrosion of metal and changing color of fruits? So we are going to discuss about this now. First of all, oxidation may be spontaneous process or it can be artificial, right? Oxidation can be spontaneous, means it can happen naturally, or it can be artificial. Now, what is oxidizing agents? What are oxidizing agents? Oxidizing agent means a species that tends to oxidize other substances. Let's see KMnO4, right? KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. What does it do? It oxidizes the species, right? It oxidizes the species. Hence, it is an oxidizing agent. There are other examples also like HNO3, DDQ is there, selenium dioxide, OSO4, O2, etc. These all are the examples of oxidizing agent. Now let's see this picture. This is shiny iron metal, right? But after a few days, when it reacts with moist air or water, it becomes like this. And this is the process we call it as a rusting. This is rusted iron and this is shiny iron. Then what caused this reaction to happen? Like why iron becomes like this? So here, this is iron, this is oxygen, and this is water. When iron comes in contact with oxygen and water present in the atmosphere, means moist air we can say, it gives iron oxide, or we can call it as a rust also. So when iron oxide forms, the shiny iron metal becomes like this. This is called as a rusting of a iron metal. Okay, now let's see this picture. When we cut the apple, the fresh cut apple looks like this. But if we keep that apple for few minutes or hours, we can say, it becomes like this. It changes its colors and become brown in color. So what happened here so that apple changes its color? So there is an enzyme present in apple like polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. This enzyme reacts with oxygen which is present in the air and changes the color on cut surface. So the reaction takes place over there, oxidation reaction takes place, and that's why apple changes its color and becomes brown in color. So this is all about oxidation. I hope the oxidation is clear to you all now. Thank you so much for watching.